So almost everything we do to our hair, like washing, combing and brushing, actually compromises the surface fibers of our hair. And extreme cases happen with things like heat styling, coloring, bleaching and other chemical processes. So on today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 simple steps on how to fix an extremely damaged hair without cutting it. So if you'd like to know those simple steps, stick around. Hey kinky friends, it's your girl kinkyamiee. Welcome back to my channel. Happy new year to you guys. I'm super excited to be with all of you in 2020. Like, you guys made it. I'm so happy. So you already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys everything you need to do to fix a damaged hair, even in extreme cases like heat damage or chemical damage or bleaching or coloring. Whichever one is your case, this video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you guys everything you need to do, so make sure you watch to the end of this video, because you'll be following all of the steps I'll be giving in this video to make sure your hair comes back to its original form. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first step is wash wisely. Now, just as you have a protective and repairing routine for your skin, that's how you're going to have a protective and repairing routine for your hair. Washing and rinsing with the wrong product will definitely dehydrate your hair. So if your hair is damaged from color treatment, all you need to do is wash with a cleansing conditioner or co-wash that is rich in cream that would hydrate and cleanse your hair at the same time. And if your hair is damaged from bleaching or chemicals, all you need to do is look for a product with ingredients like keratin and glutamic acid, okay, because those are the things that your hair has lost. So you need to look for product that contains these items, these ingredients, so that your hair will get back this keratin that it has lost. Next step is up your protein treatment game. Now, you already know that 99% of our hair is made up of protein, and that is why I advise that you do more of protein treatment. Protein treatment will help strengthen your hair. It will help protect your hair from excessive moisture loss. It will help make your hair feel thicker and look shinier. And lastly, it will help repair your damaged hair. But make sure you're not overdoing this protein treatment, because your hair might become stiff and become prone to breakage. So what you have to do is make sure you alternate your protein treatment with your moisturizing option, so your hair keeps being soft and your hair gets back its strength from the damaged items you must have used. So make sure you up your protein treatment game. Very important. So the third step is try a DIY treatment. Now, I didn't say try some DIYs, I said try a DIY treatment. Being consistent with a particular DIY will definitely help you see the results that you are looking for. Okay, so if you're having a minor hair damage, now this is for you. Maybe you don't have extreme hair damage. Whipping up a DIY from your kitchen will definitely help your hair. And while trying out DIYs, try a recipe that contains protein and some sort of conditioning oil, so that you can actually restore both protein and hydration. Now, for example, you can actually whip up egg and olive oil. Now, I know how messy it can be, but seriously, once you apply it to your hair, it will soften your hair instantly. Another example is using Greek yogurt, honey and coconut oil. That's my favorite. Seriously, it has really helped my hair. It's a deep conditioning treatment that has actually restored hydration to my hair. So you can try it out. It really works. Okay, the next step is stay away from hot tools. Now, I know you saw that coming, but I have to mention it. Try to stay away from hot tools. If you use them too often, make sure you stay away from them, so that your hair will not be damaged, because heat damages the protein in our hair. Now, if you love this heat tools so much that you cannot stay away from them, make sure you're using a heat protecting spray on your hair before using those tools. That way, that heat protecting spray will help protect your hair from the heat from those tools. Okay, and if you're using a blow dryer, please use the cold air and not the hot air. Now the fifth step is embrace oils. Make oil your best friend. Make oil your best friend in a way that you run a few drops on your damp or dry hair, mostly focusing on your ends because they are the ones that are damaged. So make sure you focus on your ends and apply oil to it. Now what this oil does is it helps to replenish the lipids in your damaged hair. So examples of oil you can opt for is coconut oil, castor oil, marula oil, argan oil, whichever one is your choice, whichever one you can actually afford to get. Make sure you make oil your friend. It's very, very important. So if this video has really been helpful to you, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And if you'd like to see more healthy tips on how to grow a healthy and long natural hair, make sure you check out these two videos that are on the screen here. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video where I tell you how to grow a healthy and long natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.